Welcome to our channel. If you're setting up an Airbnb host account and need to complete verification, follow these quick steps to verify your identity and listing. Step 1. Log into your Airbnb account and go to your host dashboard by clicking Host in the top navigation menu. Step 2. Complete your personal profile by adding a profile photo, phone number, and email address. Airbnb requires verified contact information for all hosts. Step 3. Navigate to Account Settings and select Login and Security to begin the identity verification process. Step 4. Click on Verify Your Identity and follow the prompts to upload a government-issued photo ID such as a driver's license or passport. Step 5. Take a selfie as instructed by Airbnb. This helps verify that you are the person shown on the ID you uploaded. Step 6. Wait for Airbnb to review your verification documents. This typically takes a few hours but can take up to 24 hours in some cases. Step 7. Add and verify your phone number by entering the verification code sent via SMS to your mobile device. Step 8. Set up two-factor authentication for additional security. This is required for hosts and helps protect your account. Step 9. Once verified, you'll see a verification badge on your profile, which helps build trust with potential guests. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.